Half of your website traffic this year wasn't human, it was bots. And if you don't know how to filter that, your entire marketing strategy is built on bad data. Here's what happened. In 2025, automated traffic surpassed human traffic on the internet for the first time in over a decade. Imperva and Thales documented it at 53% of all web traffic. Cloudflare's CEO Matthew Prince confirmed it independently on April 10, 2026, saying bot traffic had reached 57.5% of all HTML requests on Cloudflare's network, which processes requests for roughly 20% of all websites globally. He had predicted this crossover wouldn't happen until the end of 2027. It happened 18 months early. His exact words, "Welp, that happened faster than I predicted." AI-driven traffic, crawlers, scrapers, and autonomous AI agents grew 187% from January to December 2025, according to Human Security's analysis of more than 1 quadrillion digital interactions. It's growing 8 times faster than human traffic. OpenAI's bots alone generate 69% of all observed AI bot traffic. Meta's bots account for 16%, Anthropic's 11%. If your GA4 account has not been filtered to separate this out, and most small business accounts haven't, every metric you're using to make marketing decisions is distorted by traffic that was never a potential customer. Not all of this non-human traffic is the same, and understanding the difference matters for how you respond to it. Type 1. Training crawlers. These make up 67.5% of all AI-driven traffic according to Human Security. GPT-bot, Claude-bot, Google-bot, they're reading your content to train AI models. They don't send visitors back to your site. They inflate your session count in analytics, distort your engagement metrics, and consume your server resources. But they're not your customers, and they're not going to become your customers from that visit. Googlebot alone grew 96% year-over-year from May 2024 to May 2025, according to Cloudflare data. Type 2. Real-time AI scrapers. These grew 597% in 2025. This category includes the search and retrieval systems that power ChatGPT Search, Perplexity, and similar AI query platforms. When someone asks Perplexity a question, Perplexity's scraper visits the most relevant sources to synthesize an answer. This traffic can, and sometimes does, result in real human visitors arriving via an AI referral link. This is the category you want to track separately, not filter out. Type 3. Agentic AI. This grew 7,851% in 2025. These are AI agents acting autonomously on behalf of users, booking hotels, comparing products, filling out forms. The scale problem is structural. A human shopping for a camera visits 5 websites. An AI agent doing the same task for a user visits 5,000. Each of those 5,000 visits registers as a session in your analytics. None of them are a person who might buy from you. And underneath all of this, malicious bots, credential stuffing, scraping attacks, fraud, account for 40% of all internet traffic, rising for the 7th consecutive year. Let's be specific about how this distorts the metrics you're actually using. Bounce rate. When a training crawler visits your homepage and exits immediately, which is what crawlers do, that registers as a bounce. Add thousands of those visits to your monthly data, and your bounce rate climbs. If your real bounce rate from human visitors is 40%, but bot traffic pushes the blended number to 65%, your optimization decisions based on that metric are solving for a problem that doesn't exist at the scale your data suggests. Average session duration. Most bots don't engage with your content in ways that accumulate time. They pull the page and leave. Every bot session with near-zero duration pulls your average down. If you've ever looked at your session duration and thought, "My content must be terrible," you might actually have a bot filtering problem. Conversion rate. This is the most consequential distortion. If your site gets 10,000 sessions a month, but 5,000 of them are non-human, your real audience is 5,000 people. If 100 of them convert, your actual conversion rate from real humans is 2%. But with bot traffic mixed in, your reported conversion rate is 1%, and you're optimizing campaigns, writing ad copy, and making budget decisions based on the wrong denominator. There's a particularly important nuance here. Adobe's Q2 2026 AI traffic report found that AI-referred traffic, real humans who came to a retail site because an AI recommended it, converted 42% better than non-AI channels, generated 37% more revenue per visit, and spent 48% more time on site. That's traffic you absolutely want to track. The mistake is conflating it with bot crawlers that have nothing to do with real purchase intent. The framework for responding to bot traffic is not filter everything automated. That's the wrong instinct, and it would cause you to lose visibility into one of the fastest growing and highest converting traffic sources available in 2026. Here's the distinction that matters. Training crawlers, GPT-bot, Claude-bot, Google-bot crawling for indexing, don't send human visitors back to you. They should be excluded from your analytics sessions so they don't distort your engagement metrics. But you should not block them from accessing your site because they're the mechanism by which AI systems learn about your brand and potentially cite you. Real-time AI scrapers operating as part of search and retrieval. Perplexity pulling your content to answer a user query. ChatGPT search referencing your page can send real human visitors back. When a human follows a link from a ChatGPT response, they arrive as an AI referral session. That person is real. They came with intent. They convert better than most other traffic sources. That traffic should be tracked separately, not filtered out. Google recognized this and added a native AI assistant channel to GA4's default channel group on May 13, 2026. Sessions from ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini that result in a human click now appear in that channel automatically. If you open your GA4 right now and look at default channel group, this data is already there. Malicious bots, the 40% of all internet traffic that exists for fraud, credential theft, and unauthorized scraping, should be blocked at the server level, ideally using a service like Cloudflare's bot management, before they ever reach your analytics. The practical framework: block malicious bots at the network level, filter training crawlers from analytics sessions, track AI referral traffic as a separate channel with its own performance benchmarks. 4 specific things to do in Google Analytics 4 right now. Each takes under 10 minutes. Filter 1. Internal traffic exclusion. This removes your own visits and your team's visits from your data. In GA4, go to Admin, then Data Streams, then your web stream, then configure internal traffic. Add your office IP and any remote team member IPs. This has nothing to do with bots specifically, but if it isn't done, your own sessions are polluting your data along with everything else. Filter 2. GA4's built-in bot filtering. Go to Admin, Data Settings, then Data Filters. Enable bot and spider filtering. This automatically excludes sessions from bots on the IAB and ABC International Spiders and Bots list, a regularly updated registry of known crawlers. It doesn't catch everything, but it catches a significant portion of identified bot traffic without any manual configuration. Filter 3. Exclude known AI crawlers from referral data. If you're seeing sessions attributed to GPT-bot, Claude-bot, or other crawler user agents in your acquisition reports, add those as excluded referrals in GA4's referral exclusion settings. These crawlers aren't sending real visitors. They're generating false session signals. Filter 4. Create a bot pattern exclusion segment. In GA4 explorations, build a segment that excludes sessions with 0 seconds of engagement time, 0 events, and single-page entry and exit. This catches behavioral bot patterns that aren't on any formal exclusion list. Apply this segment to your key reports to see the filtered view of your actual human audience. After you've implemented all 4, pull your last 30 days of data with these filters active and compare it to the unfiltered version. The gap between those two numbers is what the bots have been distorting. Knowing what different session types look like in your analytics makes it easier to identify problems when you see them. A real human session typically runs between 2 and 8 minutes, involves 3 to 7 page views, triggers multiple engagement events, scrolls, clicks, video plays, and shows geographic alignment with your target market. It often ends with a conversion event or a return visit. A training crawler session looks very different. Session duration, 0 to 5 seconds. Page views, 1. User agent string, usually something like GPT bot or Claude bot if it's self-identified. No engagement events. Follows a systematic crawl pattern, visiting pages in a structured sequence rather than a natural browsing path. No conversion. A malicious bot has its own signature. 0 seconds, 1 page, perfectly periodic timing, arriving every X seconds with machine precision. Often comes from suspicious referrers or direct with no referrer. Produces no engagement whatsoever. Agentic AI, the newest and fastest growing category, is the hardest to identify because it's designed to behave like a human. It may read multiple pages, spend time on each, and follow navigation patterns that look natural. But it never converts, never subscribes, and never emails you. It's doing research on behalf of a user who may or may not be in your target audience. AI referral traffic, the category that sent a real human to your site, arrives from a medium labeled AI Assistant in GA4 since May 13th. These sessions have human behavioral profiles because they are humans. They're your most valuable new acquisition channel, and they deserve separate tracking. The metric system that worked before 2025 is no longer sufficient. When more than half of your traffic is non-human, total sessions and average bounce rate are lagging indicators of a world that no longer exists. Here's what the updated measurement framework looks like for a small business. Layer 1. Cloudflare. If you have Cloudflare in front of your website, and the free tier is available to any website, you get DNS-level reporting that separates bot requests from human requests before they ever reach your server. This gives you the cleanest possible baseline count of actual human visitors, independent of anything in GA4. Layer 2. GA4 Filtered. Your GA4 account with the 4 filters active, showing human sessions plus the separately tagged AI Assistant channel. The AI Assistant sessions are your incoming AI-referred human traffic, high value, worth tracking with its own conversion funnel. Layer 3. AI Citation Monitoring. This is new and doesn't exist in GA4. Tools like SEMrush's AIO Tracker and BrandCited.ai monitor how often your brand appears in ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI mode responses. This measures your AI visibility, the upstream activity that eventually generates AI referral traffic. A high citation rate today produces AI referral sessions in the weeks and months that follow. The combination of these 3 layers gives you a complete picture. Total request volume at the infrastructure level, qualified human behavior in your analytics, and AI brand presence in the ecosystem that feeds both. Here's what to do this week. Before you make another campaign decision, budget call, or content investment based on your current analytics. Step 1. 15 minutes. Open GA4 and go to Default Channel Group in your acquisition reports. Find the AI Assistant channel and see what traffic you're already receiving from AI-referred human visitors since May 13th. This is real, high-converting traffic that most small businesses haven't noticed yet because they haven't looked for it. Step 2. 30 minutes. Implement the 4 GA4 filters we covered. Bot filtering toggle, internal traffic exclusion, known crawler referral exclusions, and the bot behavior segment. Then, pull your previous month's data with the filters active and compare it to the unfiltered version. The difference tells you how much distortion you've been working with. Step 3. 15 minutes. If you don't already have Cloudflare on your website, add the free tier today. It installs by changing two DNS settings and typically takes under 20 minutes. You immediately get server-level bot blocking and much cleaner traffic reporting. Step 4. Ongoing. Reconsider any major marketing decisions made in the last 12 months using unfiltered analytics. Conversion rate calculations, campaign performance benchmarks, content engagement metrics, all of these were calculated against a denominator that included a significant non-human population. Your actual performance with real humans may be substantially better than your reported numbers suggest. 2 hours of cleanup, months of cleaner decisions. Start with step 1 this afternoon. 3 things. These are the ones that should change how you read your analytics from today forward. Number 1. The crossover already happened, and it's not reversing. Bots represent 53 to 57% of web traffic in 2026, confirmed independently by Cloudflare, Imperva, and Thales. AI-driven traffic grew 187% in 2025 and is accelerating. Cloudflare's CEO said it happened 18 months faster than he predicted. This is the new baseline for how the internet works. Number 2. Not all bots are bad, but they require different responses. Training crawlers inflate your analytics and should be filtered from session data. AI referral traffic, real humans sent by ChatGPT or Perplexity, converts 42% better than other channels and deserves its own tracking channel. Malicious bots should be blocked at the network level before reaching your analytics at all. These 3 categories require 3 different responses, not one. Number 3. Every major marketing metric in your GA4 account is currently distorted. Bounce rate, session duration, conversion rate, cost per acquisition, all calculated against a denominator that includes significant non-human traffic. 4 filters in GA4, 1 free Cloudflare setup, and 30 minutes of comparative analysis will show you what your real numbers actually are. The internet was built assuming a human was on the other side of the screen. That assumption is no longer true. Update your analytics before you update your strategy. Here's everything you need to clean this up this week. Download the Clean Analytics checklist from the description. It's a Notion template with 4 sections. The GA4 filter setup guide with exact navigation paths for each filter. A bot identification cheat sheet showing what each session type looks like in your reports. A new metrics dashboard template replacing the distorted total session view with filtered human sessions, plus AI referral as a separate channel. And a monthly audit protocol to run the comparison regularly so you catch distortions before they compound into wrong decisions. For network-level bot blocking, Cloudflare's free tier is available to any website. Change 2 DNS settings and you immediately get bot management, performance improvements, and reporting that separates machine requests from human requests at the infrastructure level. Free. No affiliate relationship, just the right tool. For AI citation monitoring, understanding how often ChatGPT and Perplexity mention your brand in responses, which is the upstream activity that drives AI referral traffic, SEMrush's AIO tracker is the tool we use. Link in the description. The 4GA4 filters take 30 minutes. Cloudflare takes 20 minutes to set up. The Clean Analytics checklist takes you through both. After 2 hours, you'll have your first clear picture of how many real humans actually visited your site last month. That number might surprise you, in either direction. This video is for educational purposes only. Bot traffic percentages vary by industry, website type, and measurement methodology. This is not professional analytics or cybersecurity advice. Statistics sourced from Human Security 2026, State of AI Traffic and Cyber Threat Benchmark Report, Imperva/Thales 2026, Bad Bot Report, Cloudflare CEO Matthew Prince's public statements and Cloudflare radar data, and Adobe Q2 2026 AI Traffic Report 2025-2026 data.